So one, I think, general piece of advice that I give to folks that are breaking out is that work on projects as soon as you can. I think there's a tendency sometimes we feel like we need to learn everything first and then we can work on projects. But especially in machine learning now, so many things have been abstracted away that if you just focus on all of the theoretical material or like the material in lots of like traditional classes and stuff, you'll actually find that a lot of it is dry and actually not actually very relevant to what you actually need to build models. So my suggestion would be to work almost backwards and say, okay, I have this particular idea in mind. And the idea could be, you could get ideas from a lot of different places. It could be something from your own personal, like maybe something you enjoy doing, turn it into a data sciencey type problem. Or it could be like, I saw this Dolly mini, maybe you guys have seen it on Twitter and stuff, a project that's based off of trying to adapt an existing work and then try to actually implement it, try to actually go out and implement your project. And I think you'll find what you actually need to learn. And you could find collaborators. I think one of the great things about the Dolly Mini project is kind of came together online, I think on Twitter and some different places, because people obviously get hyped up about projects. Yeah, start working on projects and real applications as soon as you can.
What I have seen happening in academia is that despite everyone's best efforts, the students tend to forget about the importance of domain knowledge. And this is so powerful, especially as you are entering the field, because you are, let's say that you want to work for a company that's doing data analytics for movie studios, right? You can come in with all these crazy math and stats skills, and there's like this many PhDs and so on. But if you can come in with an insight and realize that, oh my God, like at the end of the day, like there is a human being making a decision how many screens to put the Star Wars on, then no matter like how good your model is going to be, you just can't beat this one singular human being that's going to essentially completely wipe all the predictions from your model because they just woke up in the morning and thought, yeah, the new Star Wars movie doesn't look that good. I'm just going to put it on 1,000 screens instead of the usual 1,500. And this is just like the general like excitement about the domain can get you so far in solving real problems. And if your goal is to get a new job or get an internship or just like level up your skill, this is literally the biggest unfair advantage that I have seen, because even though looks like it kind of seems natural, most of the people just forget about it and they realize like you should do your research before you get into solving a particular problem.